Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove save video option from your TikTok videos. So as you know, when you upload your TikTok video, if this download or save video options is on, then other user can always download your videos and share it to other platforms. But if you don't want others to download your videos, you can just turn off the download or the save video options from your TikTok videos. So let's just start. And here you can just start by opening your TikTok apps on your phone, and then you can just go to your profiles in here. Click on profile, and after you open your profile, you can go to the settings, TikTok settings, by clicking on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on that and go to the settings and privacy. This one's right here, the one at the bottom. And in here, on under the settings and privacy, to find the save video option or the download video option, you can go to the privacy under the account section in here. So in here on the privacy, you can just scroll down, and under the interaction here, you'll find download. You can see that the status is currently on. So what you need to do is just click on it. So by turning it on, that means you allow other people to download your videos and share the downloads to other platforms. But if the setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared. So if you want to remove the save video options, you can just click on this to turn it off. But then you need to know that the link to your video can still be shared, so other user can still copy the link of your video and download it, maybe using a third-party app or a TikTok video downloader website. So that's pretty much it. I will sum up to you again. You can go to your profiles, and here you can click on the three lines icon, go to the settings and privacy, tap on the privacy again. Here, go to downloads and make sure that this is off. So when you do that, other user cannot download your videos directly on TikTok apps. Okay, so I think that's was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and leave a comment if you have any question. And also don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.